Hello everyone, Jessica here, back with another video, and today we are going to be playing some car suspension with my friends. Yeah, and let's, we are going to do a roleplay, so let's get started with the roleplay. Say your name then, dude.
I'm Super Smash 5000.
Yeah, his name is Super.
1940 car.
Sorry if you can see his name, just please do not go friend him. You can friend me, I don't care about all that. And if you guys meet me in real life, or actually not in real life, in Roblox, just say what's up, Jay Skeleton, and I'll gladly reply to that right in Roblox. And I'm not going to be recording sometimes, so if you just see me in a random server, then I'm just not going to be hurt.
Send me your video. I want to watch one of your videos.
Just go to my channel.
What is it called?
I really do not like repeating this, but I'm going to have to show it on screen right now.
What is it?
Oh my god, I don't know yet, because you're not letting me.
Okay. I'm waiting.
And guys, also I hate being rushed, so yeah. Let's go to my... It's JSkeleton09. It's sort of like my Roblox name, but just with the 0 first and then the 9.
Disco, and what?
Oh my god!
Disco Dragon?
No! I just said it!
What is it?
I just said it's J Skeleton 09.
J Skeleton?
09. Alright. Did you look up my darn name? Just, if you guys are new here, just subscribe and turn on post notifications. I forgot to say that in the front of my video, but sorry. Okay. I should really blur all this stuff out, but I do not know how to blur stuff, so yeah. Just check if... Dude, I lost connection to the game. Dude, I lost connection to the game.
Bro, do you have Ninjago toys?
No!
It looks like I can't find you.
Dude, you're probably not spelling my name right.
Oh, it's spacebar.
I have no space bars. I have no spaces. Just look right here. No spaces. No, I'm just sending you my link to my channel, okay? So you really do not know how to spell.
Then your number. Oh wait, I can copy it from your name. Where did you go?
I had to leave because I lost connection.
Do I have to
No.
Is this your YouTube channel?
What is it?
Your channel.
Yes. I just sent you the link. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Do you know how to spell my name again?
Oh my god.
Sorry again, guys. Um. Yeah. So. What?
I liked it and I subscribed it. Now you got 20 subscribers.
20.
That's why I subscribed to you.
My lucky number 20, and also like 100 subscribers.
I need to try and find you. Well, me. But why is there no videos in your video?
I haven't recorded with you. Dancemove.
Why?
I just never. So this is my first time recording with you.
Wait, bro.
What?
That's what you look like?
Yes? Do not say I look like a...
You look like me. Bro, you actually look like me.
Hold on, send me a picture of you.
I don't know.
Do you know how to copy and paste?
How did you? Oh my god.
Do not say I look like a Japanese person. I mean, admit it, I actually do, but... First. That's just gonna be mean. If you just say I look like a...
You were friends with Moneybag?
Yeah?
Oh my god. You guys are roommates?
No.
You keep talking to each other?
No.
But sometimes?
He does not know where I live.
Bro?
Yeah?
I need to watch a video about me in your video.
I'm actually gonna probably... Hold on.
Put it in this, then I can watch it.
Not yet. I have to upload it, so yeah. And I'm gonna have to edit a little bit, but yeah. JK, I don't edit. I don't clickbait anything. I found a ramp for other vehicles. Wait, dude, why did you leave?
What?
You left the game.
Ooh. We play a different map this time.
Yes. I guess